I wanted to set up a home gym where I had a power rack, but the thing was I had very limited space to work with. Lucky for me, I was able to find the PRx Performance fold-in power rack that I was able to install in my garage. And what's great about this here is this folds in and does not take up much surface area once it's folded in on both sides. But this here still allows me to not only do my bench press or squats, but also has a pull-up bar that is adjustable. And again, once you're done working out, this thing can be put away so that you still have your garage space to work with. And I use my garage for a lot of things besides just working out. But it was important for me to have a home gym that didn't take up a lot of space, but I was still able to have the power rack that I wanted to be able to lift with. So that's why I went with the PRx Performance fold-in rack, and it has worked great. So if you're tight on space, this is something you definitely want to look into. It works really well.